Sir, do you know what we should do?
No clue.
How helpful. So, the enemy... I'll be honest, sir, I have no idea where they are. It's a mugged down swamp down here, full of dead people, rats, and endless atrocities. Do you know where you can see them?
Yes, I have a plan.
Hold on. Sir, why am I the one holding it?
Because you're my slave.
Okay. So, sir, do you see anything?
Nothing.
Do you have a bigger one than this, sir? Oh, okay. We have one over there. Oh, no! Sir, there's a German machine gun. Listen to it. Ah! So close. Almost hit my head. Whew, so close there, sir. Sir, you can stay away from me. Okay. So, we need to move on. Sir, I know you're afraid of gunfire, but please, just keep your distance. Wait, do you smell that, sir? Oh my gosh, sir! Do you see that? Okay, now you're breathing.
I am not your father.
What, sir?
Never mind. Future reference.
The gas has ceased. Okay. Now where are those Germans? Ah! Sniper! Actually, no. That looks like a machine gun. Incoming! Ah! Sir! What are you doing here? And that is why you always wear a helmet. To keep you protected and safe. Oh. That has been Puppetry with Max as we explore the First World War and many different objects. Now to the table with Lorraine so we can explore more of them. Oh, I didn't see you there. So, yep, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you'd like to see other stuff, click here. And please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!